Hello everybody, thanks so much for popping by. This is Jennifer. Today I have the Papercraft Society Advent Calendar. Oh my gosh, I was excited to get this because I ordered it back in August when I first saw it. I ordered it from Craft Stash, the US, and it showed me shipping like 3 weeks ago, and I started to get worried, like, oh my gosh, this is coming from the UK, am I even going to get it? But let me show you. It's in this cute, looks almost like a little shoebox, and I'm just going to show you. I got it. It was $45. They had like Chloe's cards. Lisa Horton was on there. Textures. I'm trying to Stamp by Me. There was a bunch of different companies, and I was like, oh, I like all them, so let's try it. And look at how cute. Okay, gift from us to you. Okay, so it's got a website and it has inspiration for all the different projects on there. Okay, so that's really cute. But look at how cute. If they're all like the box envelopes. I don't know if you've ever seen, Anna Griffin has them, or but they're adorable. And I'm just gonna go right through. Oh, and before I start, I want to just tell you thank you so much, because I just hit 5,000 subscribers. So for me, I was like, I can't even believe anybody watches me. And I'm going to do a giveaway coming up. So keep your eyes peeled, because I want to celebrate, because my favorite part is just chatting with everybody. And I'm trying to, thanks for subscribing. And if you haven't, please feel free if you like chatting. And I'm very snoopy, so please tell me, nosy. I like to know what everybody else has got. And after this, please tell me what your favorite thing was, or what your favorite advent calendar was, because it keeps me going, chatting with everyone. Love it. Okay, day one. So let's just flip this open. And how cute are these little envelopes to store everything in afterwards. Okay, so day one, starting off strong. Lisa Horton Crafts. Look at the cute wreath. Okay, we've even got, look, the little, can you see the little extra berries to go onto, let's see, onto the foliage here, and the little berries to go here. How cute. And detailed pine needles, all of that. Gorgeous. That is just so sweet. And all these look to be A2 size, so 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, right? Okay, so we'll put one back in there. Let's just keep sliding them out. Day two. Let's pop these open. Pull that little tag off. Another pretty. Okay, I was worried what we would see, because after I ordered it, I went back and looked at last year's, and it was not impressive. I thought, oh God, I'm going to go on and I'm going to have to say it's the worst. So we'll see, but already this is better than last year's by far. And I didn't get last year's. Stamps by Me. So here's Tony, and look at her pretty stamps here. So we have a Christmas tree, some like a starry nights. Can you see that? Then we have birthday presents. This is your year to sparkle. Pretty flowers. I hope your day is full of fun and celebration. Great for inside. Look at the little like garland, snowflake, another gift, florals. Very cute. Well done, Tony. Okay, so that was day two. Let's see. You know what? These are a little tricky. I'm gonna flip this over, and we're gonna just put them right. Day one. Let's say day two. Isn't it cute? Like how they're even numbered. The embossing. Very cute. Day three. Ooh, pretty. Okay, I love poinsettias at Christmas. I hope you can see. I know it's like pink on the white, so it might be a little hard. It says Merry Christmas, a beautiful double one, and that is by Chloe. No surprise. I have so many of her poinsettias, and I just can't get enough. Love them. I have them fresh ones all over the house, like so many. It's ridiculous the money. My husband would kill me if he knew how many of them I put, and they don't last down here that long. Okay, very pretty. Okay, let's see. That's day three. On to day four. I'm going to try and keep this moving pretty quick, because there are actually 25 days here. Creative craft products. Oh, and some of these, I remember seeing somebody said has a discount. So I'll tell you, like this Creative Craft Products has a discount on it. I didn't look at the others, but I'll go back. So here we just have all different Merry and Bright, brother, Christmas cheer, husband, dad, wife, 'tis the season, sister, daughter, mom, mother, niece, nephew, grandson, step. That's really good. So you got everybody. Wishing you a Merry Christmas, the one I love, father, little bell, little snowflakes. Isn't that cute? Merry and Bright. Very sweet. Is that what I say? Yeah. Creative Craft Products. Okay. Very nice. Ooh, I'm definitely relieved and pleased, and already thinking that's already a pretty good deal, because the whole thing was only $45. So day 5. Okay, here we've got pretty stencil, Simply Made crafts. Look at the foliage here. And again, these are all for A2, so I'm not going to quite pull that off, but I think you can see that well enough, right? Very nice. Okay, that's actually a really cute one. That's a really good one to like every day of the year kind of thing. Okay, day 6. Okay, what have we got here? So we've got Textures by Lou Collins. Again, discount code on the back. So we have an insert. You are awesome. So just a little cutout window, I guess you could cut into your card. Flowers, butterflies, and I don't know what that is. Just 2 of those, maybe 2 of those would fit in here, I think. Is that right? I don't know. We'll have to see what we can do with that, but that's very cute. I'm always happy when I see a bunch of metal in the Advent calendar. Okay, day 6. Okay, let's see. Day 7. Oh, wow. Look at the size of that. Holy cow. It's just paper. Justine Hovey. Look at that. Now, I wonder, I hope her new line's doing well, but look at that. If it's like this, I think so. Fluttering by to say hi. Butterfly kisses. But look at this. I mean, that's your whole hand. That's like the whole A2 card front. That's gorgeous. That is just really gorgeous. No, not Christmas, but I'm okay with that. I don't need, I don't want an Advent calendar just to be Christmas usually because, you know, you want to use it for other things. That said, my Anna Griffin is pretty much all Christmas and I do love it. Okay, 8. Day 8. Okay, here we go. Who is this? This is Creative Craft Products. Again, you have a discount code for 20 off. Here we go with just a couple, 1, 2, 3 of the little heart shapes, 2 little stars, the inverted nesting kind of dies, which are really cute. I've got a whole series of those that Crafter's Companion did, and you know, they went all the way up to like 4x6. That's so cool. They make really cool frames and cards and things like that. So that was day 8. Okay, try to, you know what, here's, there we go. We'll use our little stamp helper there to hold it up. Day 9. There we go. Another nice one. Simply Made crafts. Discount codes. Don't you love a wood grain? Doesn't it just always looks like it makes every card look pretty. And I did last year. I'm thinking if it was one of the classes, but it had little birds and windows and country oranges and twigs and things, and did them on cards and used the wood grain on the backdrop of that, and they just came out beautiful. So love that. That is always a really good one to have. And I do have them in some bigger, but I don't have the smaller size like that. Okay, that was day 9. Here we go. Kind of tilt that a little bit. Day 10. Let's see. Textures by Lou Collins. And here we just got, okay, some really cute happy birthday. It has like little stars, and these are just like little dots, like confetti dots. I don't know if it'll show up there. Our butterfly profiles, several flowers, best day ever, some floral branches. Very cute. Everything you need for one card. God, I love these little envelopes. Like, these are so cute. I am definitely keeping these all in here just like this because, yes, it takes room, but because it's so cute, I love it. Okay, day 11. Okay, oh, we have another stencil here. Justine Hovey. It's just paper. Here we have our outline of our butterfly. And then we have a detail to stencil of your, as much as you can see. But that's a really, again, really good size. A couple inches by a couple inches. Very nice. Okay, let's put that away. That was day 11. I wish somebody was here opening so you could tell me as I was going by what are your favorites. Day 12. Ah, beautiful. Stamps by Me, by Tony. Very nice. So all her stuff always has these QR codes on. I don't know if you've had anything else from her or HSN, but they take you to the site with there's like inspiration. Just make it even easier for those of us opposed to having to search all over the place. But isn't that pretty? I'm sure these are 2D because of the, you know, the size and everything, but that is just really pretty, and I kind of want to do it with on pink, like pink and cream, just like that. Looks beautiful. Okay, let's see, that was day 12. On to, oops, I keep putting in using backwards. Day 13. Okay. Oh, look at that. Okay, so I'm guessing there's no name, that maybe this is directly from Craft Stash, but 12 designs, 2 of each. Okay, decent weight. And here's just for your, look, so you've got Christmas, some Christmas, look at that pretty. I think these are all kind of coordinated with what we're getting and the coordinated colors of the solids. Let's see, can I do that a little better? Look at, is that better? Sorry. Never quite sure what's in the camera there. Beautiful. That is so cute. Last year, some of the envelopes contained literally like 5 pieces of paper. And I'm thinking, what? I didn't think that was, I know paper went up, but that wasn't good. 14, I'm so relieved. I'm so happy with this already, even if the rest was nothing. Okay, day 14, Chloe again. Just beautiful. Look at those. What are these? Hydrangea? No, hibiscus. Is that hibiscus? Am I saying the right thing here? So you have the solids and the light. Look at the extra little petals that you can do in solid. Here, see, we've got the outline and the different color ones. Boy, I don't know how good I'd be at lining them up, but I'm going to try. And here's our little leaves, flourishes, and a beautiful corner, very pretty corner stamp there. Beautiful. Chloe just does the best flowers. I'm sorry, but hers are just amazing. Her stamps and all her pots of glitter. Gorgeous. 14. Okay, let's see. 15. We're going through these pretty good pace, right? 15. Oh, this is cute. And I bet, yep, Lisa Horton. She has got so many of these cool, I think she's got the embossing folders like this too, and big stencils kind of like that with the bubbles. Isn't it cute on one side? Look at that, like diamond, makes me think of like Harlequin on the other side. Look at that. Isn't that cute? So that was day 15 from Lisa Horton. Well done, Lisa. All of them, right? I think they're doing so good. Everybody let me know what your favorite is at the end, please. Okay, day 16. Okay, here we have Justine. It's just paper, and we've got another, I don't think that's smaller than the stencil she had, right? Little flowers, outlines. I wonder if these go with something else. Some of these might be coordinated. I feel like there's kind of a theme, but I'm just kind of going through it, so we're not here all day. But you let me know if you figure that out. Very cute. Okay, so I'm kind of like messing things up here a little bit, but that's okay. 16. Let's see. 17. Okay. Oh, this looks like, didn't we just see that? Or something similar? Okay. Textures by Lou Collins. There we go. So look, we've got super tiny, like small, medium, large, and then the full size of like all 3 of them together. So that must make some really cool geometric card fronts. Very cute. Very, very cute. Okay, put that away. That is 17. I feel like, did everybody put a stencil, a stamp, a die or something? I feel like I should be paying more attention, but I'm not. Okay, 18. Let's see. Blue Creative Craft Products. Okay, and here we have banner for sentiments. Hello. Little tags. I don't know if I call it a tag or a banner, that one. But look, can you see the teeny tiny little eyelet holes for them? Little heart, flower, and that looks like a little teeny button. Is that not the cutest little thing? Flower and a couple branches. Adorable. Creative Crafts. Love it. Okay, that's 18. Okay, I think I can get rid of my little thing. We'll put him there. Now we're getting down. 19. Okay, oh, pretty. Simply Made Crafts. Okay, here we go. Look at that little pretty robin with the flower. I hope you can see on the angle. Foliage, more foliage. Congratulations. Hearts, flowers. Just some pretty, just overall cute little stamps. Love it. Very cute. You feel it's heavy too. Like compared to the stencil ones, you can tell there's something more substantial in there. Okay, that was 19. Here we have day 20. Oh, another pretty, look at that. Chloe, yep, look at this, the size of this. Can you see the size of this stencil? All the way up. The whole thing, so pretty. And there's even, look, even a little tiny profile butterfly up there. Another one here. But I'm hoping, I know that's probably not the best way to do it, but really pretty. Isn't that a gorgeous scene? We need more inks. Okay, so I have almost all, bending them up, of the Tim Holtz Distress inks, like many of you. And I had tons of Crafter's Companion was like the first ones I bought, all their inks. And they do have some great inks. However, they stopped making all the rinkers, so now you have to buy a whole new $9 pad. And I am not crazy about that. So things have changed since they've been taken over, bought out, all that, as I'm sure you know. What is your favorite ink? Who do you like? What's your favorite line that you have, like a whole, Concord or Ninth, or who were some of the other ones I was thinking? Well, I don't know. Altenew has some good. There's just so many of them. Catherine Pooler. So I'm curious who all of you like, or do you just pick and choose random colors, or you try and get like the whole line? So I would like to know, because as my old Spectrum Noir ones are going out, I want to buy something that I can get re-inkers for. Okay, 21. Oh, and look at that. Textures by Luke Holland. So, and that matches what we were just seeing with the stencils and the little shaped eyes. How cute is that? Very cute. And I'm betting that fits that inside die fits right in there. That is a really cool looking card front. Very cool. So I'd like to see that. Again, I immediately think, oh, that looks like a guy's card. Looks cool. Kind of reminds me of something like Atari, the old games Atari. Anybody remember that? Okay, number 22. Day 22. And in case you didn't notice, this one does go up to day 25. So there is that extra day on Christmas for you. Okay, Simply Made. Oh, we have a pretty bow. Here's our tail. I'm thinking, here's our little loop, I think, to wrap it. So I'm thinking, are these folded, and then our two little tails? Is that it? I'd have to play with it. With Love, leaf flower, the stamens in the middle. Very cute. Really cute. Simply Made craft. Love it. I feel like I should be more gentle on these because they are so pretty. Yeah, sorry. I'm like, you can't see behind there, but I'm knocking stuff all over the place. Okay. We are to day 23. Okay, what do we have here? I could tell, again, that was heavy, and this is from Creative Craft Products. Again, a lot of these have the 20% like discount codes on the back, so you know, which is just a nice little extra to help you if you find something you like and want to add on. But congratulations, new job. Happy christening day. I don't think I've ever seen that. New home, graduate with sympathy, best of luck, new baby, lots of love. Happy anniversary on your special day. Sending all my love. Wonderful friend, you're the best. Get well soon. Very cute. Very nice. Nice selection there. It's nice seeing the small size, especially for if you do like this size card right here in A2. You need those small sentiment stamps. I tend to always go for the really big ones because, I don't know. Anything that takes up more real estate, covers, I have less background to do. I think I'm a lazy card maker. I get lazy or easy. We'll go with easy instead. Day 24. Okay, so this would be Christmas Eve, I guess. Oh, that's pretty. It's just paper by Justine Hovey, and look at how pretty that embossing folder is. That is just really pretty. I feel like you want to, I don't know if you can emboss it like with embossing ink and watercolor or something, but just that pattern, that is just really, really pretty. Very nice. It's nice. This is like, I can't believe all of this for $45. Just, wow, really good. Okay, and day 25, let's see who gets the finale, is Double-Ended Pokey 2. Oh, isn't that cool? Look at, can you see the pretty gold glitter? Okay, so we've got the really sharp edge on this one. And this looks like a small rounded for like scoring or maybe picking up stuff. But yeah, that's got the, it's not pointy. It's rounded on that side. That is so cute. That is just adorable. And I'm assuming those ones that like this is just from Craft Stash itself. So please let me know what you liked best, or did you like it? What's your favorite advent calendar so far? I'm going to put the playlist with all my other ones in, and I hope to see you back real soon for the giveaway. Bye for now.